So this is a question about the shampoo. I only bought the shampoo and brush. I see most people bought the topical solution that got results. Can I get results with just the shampoo and brush? Absolutely. So this was a text that I got from my buddy Derek, who I mentioned in the book, but I wanted to show you a picture of Derek and his hair. He sent this to me a couple weeks ago, and he said hair loss stinks. And you can see Derek, his hair, it's healthy, it's thick, he's growing it out. But Derek was losing his hair about 5 years ago, and he didn't want to use a topical. He's like, dude, I'm too lazy. I'm married. He's like, but I'll use a shampoo and the brush. So send me some shampoo and a couple brushes. So since then, he has completely reversed his hair loss. His hair loss wasn't very bad, but he has had incredible results with just using the brush and the shampoo, as well as other people in the group who, if you scroll through the photos and things like that, Wojciech is another person that had great results with just the shampoo and the brushing. And there's a lot of people that have had just great results. So, but again, if you're experiencing hair loss, I do personally think that most people will benefit from using the topical, especially for that first 90 days to really reverse the cause of hair loss. So hopefully that answers your question.